Look closer. That tiny burst of air is carrying far more than you think. What leaves your body in a second becomes something almost invisible. At 100 times, the sneeze becomes a burst of droplets. At 500, aerosol mist spreads in every direction. By 2000, it turns into a microscopic storm cloud. At 10,000 times, a sneeze becomes a storm of droplets and microscopic debris. What feels instant to us lingers in the air like an invisible weather system.